好。
Hi everyone! Let's play with Hadrian! So what are we doing today, Hadrian? We are learning... Can you speak a little bit louder, Hadrian? Again? Mandarin! So if you're new to our channel, please like and subscribe our videos because we're going to have a series of Mandarin learning videos that's for kids and for beginners. So Hadrian, let's get started. The first word we're going to learn is 早上好. 早上好. So it means good morning. Can you say that too? 早上好. Can you repeat after me? 早上好. Good job.
早上好。
你好，早上好。咦，你在吃什么？
Cereal。
那是你的早餐吗？
Are you okay? Okay. I think he's okay. So the next word that we're going to learn is 你好. 你好. That means hello, hello. Can you repeat after me? 你好. 你好.
你好。
Very good.
你好。
你好。
When someone asks you 你好吗? How are you? You can reply 我很好. I'm fine. 你好吗? 你好吗? That means how are you? How are you? Hadrian, can you stop eating and repeat after me? Say 你好吗?
你好吗？
Very good.
你好吗？
And the fourth greeting that we're learning today is 再见. 再见.
再
That
见。
means, yeah, what does that mean?
拜拜。
Goodbye. Very good. Goodbye. Okay? And can you repeat after me? 再见.
再见。
Very good.
再见，妈妈。
再见，小心一点哦，拜拜。再见。
The last greeting words that we're learning is 晚安. 晚安. What does that mean? Sleeping? Not quite. Before you sleep, you're gonna say something, and that's gonna be good night. Good night. How do you kiss good night, Hadrian? 晚安. 晚安. Can you repeat after me? 晚安.
晚安。
Very good. 晚安啊。
晚安。晚安。
晚安。
晚安。
Are you ready? Sing along. 早上好，早上好，你好，你好，你好吗？再见啦，再见啦，说晚安，说晚安。Very good job, Adrian. Let's sing one more time. 早上好，早上好，你好，你好，你好吗？再见啦，再见啦，说晚安，说晚安。Very good job, Adrian. So I hope everybody can practice more Mandarin at home. See you next time. 再见。